Imagine starting with almost nothing and then becoming one of the richest people in the world. This is the true story of Howard Schultz, the former CEO of Starbucks. He grew up in a poor neighborhood but worked hard, stayed focused, and never gave up. Schultz's journey shows us that it's not just luck or talent that makes people rich, it's their habits. In this video, we'll explore the habits of billionaires like Schultz. These habits are not secrets or magic tricks. They are simple actions that anyone can start doing today. By copying these habits, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Ready to learn what they are? Let's dive in and discover how you can get rich by adopting the same habits as billionaires. Number 1. The power of consistency. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, is known for his consistent habits. Every day, he follows a routine that includes reading for several hours. He believes that reading helps him make better investment decisions. This daily habit of learning has been key to his success. Consistency is powerful because it builds momentum. When you do something regularly, it becomes easier and more natural over time. For example, Buffett doesn't just read occasionally, he makes it a part of his daily life. This consistent effort adds up, leading to significant results over time. To apply this in your life, start by choosing one habit that will benefit you. It could be reading, saving money, or exercising. Make a plan to do it every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. The important thing is to stick with it. Over time, you'll see how this small, consistent effort can lead to big changes. By being consistent, you build a strong foundation for success. Just like Warren Buffett, you can achieve great things by making small, regular efforts every day. Number 2. Relentless learning. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, is famous for his relentless learning. He taught himself about rockets, cars, and energy just by reading books and asking experts. Musk's passion for learning has helped him create some of the most innovative companies in the world. Relentless learning means never stopping your education. It's about being curious and always looking for new knowledge. Musk spends hours reading and learning new things. This constant learning helps him stay ahead in his field and come up with new ideas. To start learning like Elon Musk, you don't need to go back to school. Begin by reading books, articles, or watching educational videos on topics that interest you. Set aside some time each day for learning. It could be 30 minutes before bed or during your lunch break. The key is to make learning a regular part of your day. Another way to keep learning is to talk to people who know more than you. Ask questions and listen to their advice. Join online forums or local groups where you can discuss and learn about new topics. By making learning a habit, you can gain new skills and knowledge that will help you succeed. Just like Elon Musk, your commitment to relentless learning can open up new opportunities and lead you to success. Number 3. Strategic networking. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, two of the wealthiest people in the world, understand the importance of strategic networking. They have built strong relationships with other successful people, which has helped them grow their businesses and investments. Networking isn't just about meeting people, it's about building meaningful connections that can lead to opportunities. Strategic networking means connecting with people who can help you achieve your goals. Gates and Buffett regularly attend events, join groups, and meet with other leaders in their industries. These relationships have provided them with valuable advice, partnerships, and investment opportunities. To start building your network, begin by attending local events or joining online groups related to your interests or career. Don't be afraid to introduce yourself and start conversations. Remember, networking is about giving as much as receiving, so offer your help and expertise to others too. Follow up with the people you meet. A simple email or message can help keep the connection alive. Over time, these relationships can grow and open doors to new opportunities. By being strategic about your networking, you can create a support system of people who can help you achieve your dreams. Just like Gates and Buffett, The right connections can be a key factor in your journey to success. Number 4. Financial discipline. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, is known for his financial discipline. Even as one of the richest people in the world, Bezos manages his money carefully. He avoids unnecessary expenses and focuses on investing in things that will grow his wealth. This disciplined approach to money has been a big part of his success. Financial discipline means being careful with how you spend and save your money. It's about making smart decisions and sticking to a budget. Bezos didn't become rich by spending carelessly. He prioritized his investments and saved money wherever he could. To develop financial discipline, start by creating a budget. List all your income and expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. It might be eating out less often or canceling subscriptions you don't use. The goal is to reduce unnecessary spending and save more money. Next, focus on saving and investing. Set aside a portion of your income each month for savings. Consider investing in stocks, bonds, or other assets that can grow over time. It's important to research and choose investments wisely. By being disciplined with your money, you can build a strong financial foundation. Just like Jeff Bezos, careful money management and smart investments can lead to lasting wealth. Number 5. Embracing failure. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, has faced many failures in his career. From unsuccessful business ventures to personal challenges, Branson has experienced setbacks. However, he views failure as a learning opportunity. This mindset has helped him bounce back stronger each time and ultimately succeed. Embracing failure means understanding that mistakes are part of the journey to success. Branson didn't let his failures stop him. Instead, he learned from them and kept moving forward. This resilience is a common trait among successful people. To embrace failure, start by changing how you think about mistakes. Instead of seeing them as negative, view them as chances to learn and grow. When you face a setback, take time to analyze what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. Don't be afraid to take risks. Trying new things can lead to mistakes, but it can also lead to great opportunities. Accept that failure is a possibility, but it doesn't define you. What matters is how you respond to it. Number 6. Maintaining health and well-being. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist, knows the importance of maintaining health and well-being. She practices regular exercise, healthy eating, and meditation to keep her mind and body in top shape. Winfrey believes that taking care of yourself is essential for achieving success. Maintaining health and well-being means making time for physical and mental self-care. Oprah exercises daily, eats nutritious foods, and practices mindfulness. These habits help her stay energetic, focused, and ready to tackle challenges. To improve your health and well-being, start with small changes. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine, whether it's a daily walk, yoga, or a gym workout. Exercise boosts your energy levels and improves your mood. Next, focus on eating healthy. Choose foods that are rich in nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that can drain your energy. Take care of your mental health. Practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing exercises. Make time for hobbies and activities that you enjoy. A healthy mind is just as important as a healthy body. By prioritizing your health and well-being, you can perform at your best. Just like Oprah Winfrey, taking care of yourself will give you the strength and clarity to achieve your goals. Number 7. Giving back to society. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, is famous not only for his wealth, but also for his generosity. Through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, he has donated billions of dollars to improve health, education, and reduce poverty worldwide. Gates believes that giving back to society is a crucial part of success. Giving back to society means using your resources to help others. Gates uses his wealth to fund projects that make a big impact on people's lives. His efforts show that success is not just about making money, but also about making a difference. To start giving back, you don't need to be a billionaire. You can begin with small acts of kindness. Volunteer your time at local charities, donate to causes you care about, or help a neighbor in need. Every little bit counts and can make a positive impact. Another way to give back is by sharing your knowledge and skills. Mentor someone who is just starting out in your field, or offer free workshops in your community. Your experience can be valuable to others. By giving back to society, you create a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Just like Bill Gates, you can contribute to making the world a better place. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.